Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know how important it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring Dogecoin from your Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Ledger Nano X and Trust Wallet set up and ready to go. Update your Ledger device to the latest firmware. It's crucial for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your Nano X using the USB cable. If you haven't already, install the Dogecoin app on your Ledger by going to the Manager tab in Ledger Live and searching for Dogecoin. Next, switch over to your Trust Wallet app on your smartphone. This is where you'll receive your Dogecoin, so navigate to the Dogecoin section. Tap on Receive to generate a new address. Copy this address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back to your Ledger Nano X. In Ledger Live, select the Dogecoin account from your dashboard. Hit the Send button and paste the Trust Wallet address you just copied. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary in 2025 depending on blockchain congestion. Before you confirm, review everything on your Ledger device's screen. It will display the transaction details for you to verify manually. This is a key security feature. Once you're sure, press the buttons on your Nano X to approve the transaction. Sit back and wait for the network to confirm it, which usually takes a few minutes. And just like that, your Dogecoin should now be in your Trust Wallet. Always keep an eye on your balances and consider using two-factor authentication for added protection. If you run into any issues, check the official Ledger or Trust Wallet support pages. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next video.